To deposit money from a brokerage account to a bank account, start by opening the relevant app and selecting the profile icon from the bottom of the screen. Click on the three-line menu at the top. Then select Transfers from the menu screen. Next, click on the Transfer Money button, where you can also view your available withdrawal cash. Scroll down to see all linked bank accounts associated with the brokerage account. To link a new bank account, click the Add Account button and enter the necessary bank details. Once the bank account is linked, select Transfer Money and choose the brokerage account as the source of the funds. Then, select the bank account as the destination, or link a new account by clicking Add Account. Enter the desired transfer amount, review the transaction, and click Transfer to submit the request. The withdrawal process typically takes 5 business days, after which the funds will be deposited into the bank account.